Right now, when the player jumps up, it is possible for it to move past the height of the canvas. To fix that, you will need to add a condition to stop the player from falling past the height of the canvas. Create an if statement that checks if the sum of the player's y position, height, and y velocity is less than or equal to the height of the canvas. So we have to create an if statement in here. For now, it's now empty, and inside the condition is the sum of the player's y position. So we have to use the keyword this to refer to the position of y. Let's add the height. Also use the keyword this. Also the velocity of y. Velocity y. Hello. And then it should be less or equal to the height of the canvas. So we have to access the canvas first and then the height. So if we add the position y, height, and velocity, that is actually the sum. So we are actually comparing the sum of these three to the canvas of height if it is less than or equal to it. And it should be correct, but it's not. But perhaps, let's say we have to use this keyword in here. What? This position, that y, this, that height. Oh, that is actually plus, and I think we don't need this one. Okay, nice.